Hi friends, welcome to Creative Ayushi. Today we will see how to make cake using cream biscuit. Here I have taken bourbon biscuit. Now we will separate the cream and the biscuit. Similarly, we will do them all. Now we have separated all the cream biscuits and the cream. So now we will grind the cream biscuits in the grinding jar and we will keep the cream aside. Now it's a smooth powder. Here I have taken 7 packets of bourbon biscuit and one I have kept aside for later. Now we will pour some milk in it and mix it. For 7 packets of biscuit, we need 4 big cups of milk. Now, after stirring, we need this kind of consistency. Now, we will add half tablespoon of baking powder. You can add baking soda or baking powder, or you can just leave it like this because biscuits already have baking powder or baking soda. You need 1 tablespoon of baking powder, not half. Now I have greased the pots with ghee. You can grease it with oil or butter. Now I will transfer the batter in the pot. You can see the consistency. Now I will tap the pot to make it smooth and get rid of bubbles. Now we will put the pots in a kadhai. I have taken some water in the kadhai. The pot should stay like this, and I have preheated it for almost 2 to 3 minutes. Now I will put the lid and you will cook it for almost 20 minutes. Now we will prepare the icing for the cake. Here we will take the cream of the biscuit which we kept aside. Now we will add some milk. You can see the icing. It should be in this consistency. Now I will add a crushed biscuit in it to make it crunchy. Here I have added 6 biscuits and I have crushed them with my hands. You can see. You can see I have demolded the cake and I have cutted it. How spongy it is. You should keep the flame medium to high and cook it for 30 minutes and keep checking it if it's ready or not. Now I will pour the icing. The icing is done. Now I will decorate it with biscuit. Now I have decorated it with biscuits. The cake is ready.